students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our second chapter, that is the microorganisms. So students, already I have explained that in that every chapter, every videos already I have told you some microorganisms are helping for us. Yes, some microorganisms are harmful for us, but some microorganisms are helpful for us. So already in the last classes already I have discussed about that how they are specially helping for us the treatment of the sewage. But today also once I will repeat it, how the decomposition of or how the decomposition of sewage treatment. Yes, do you know the students treatment sewage treatment? Whenever you have seen that NSC canal and that whatever that the waste products or waste substances material are coming from the factories or industries or from our household substances like detergent, soaps, bath water and whatever that other waste things, it is mixing with that one drain, and that is generally sewage treatment, sewage we have to say. And that treatment how can you do? If it will be stay like that, more smell, bad smell will get, and that our air pollutant it will come, and we cannot take that proper breath like that, means you will get that odor smells like that. Okay, so students, generally this one it was happening by that treatment of the bacteria. That means that some bacteria are there, they are doing that what decomposition of this sewage, whatever that inside that bad things are fecals matter or that like substances which are coming from that our household disease. Okay, so students, but how that treatments are taking place and which bacteria how like that helping for us to treatment about that decomposition of that sewage, today we are going to discuss. In that last day already I have told that especially whenever that animals or any other plants, if you die or death, then what will happen, some bacteria are decomposing that bodies. Yes, and that whatever that chemical substances are that it is mixing with the soil, and that soil from the soil that green plants are observing as a minerals and like through the water, and all that minerals, all the nutrients are reaching into the plants leaves, and during that photosynthesis they are converting into that water glucose or on the food items by that process of photosynthesis. Yes, that means all the nutrients we are getting from the plants again. So there is one cyclic process is there. I have drawn in the picture here. I will explain that later. But students, first of all we will discuss about that. What is the decomposition of the sewage treatment? Okay. So let us see. Look at here, friends. I have written that some points here about that. Microorganisms, mainly bacteria, play an essential part in the treatment of sewage to make it harmless. So in that treatment, whenever that in big city like Mumbai and Delhi, Kolkata, like there is one big in the big city, there are more drainages are there and more treatment are the big plants nowadays. Treatment sewage treatment plants are already the government allowed. So what will happen that all that sewage that dirty water or whatever that waste things, material substances, fecals, that all were collected and with one tank, and that after you will do that like that's why it's called as a sewage treatment plant. So how that anaerobic bacteria are decomposing this all that, and then after it is forming that biogases like methane gases are producing that nowadays all that big city or towns they are doing like that. Okay, so how they are decomposing we have to see that. Special microorganisms, bacteria play an essential part to converting this all that decomposing and forming that part methane gas, or that is generally we should say that biogas. Sewage contains fecal matter substances from household waste such as soap and detergent and chemical things from the factories. So that generally what is that sewage? What is that sewage? Generally sewage that is one mixture of that some dirty things, dirty wastes or water is coming from the waste from the industries, and also waste substances like materials like detergent or soaps, water, and that all are that generally called as a sewage. Okay, that is special, all that combination of that all that contents are that called as a sewage. And this one is decomposed by that some special bacteria, and that is anaerobic bacteria, and anaerobic bacteria are decomposing this sewage and helping for this all whatever that fecal matters and producing that what is that biogases, that is the special methane gases. Okay, so look at the what is that biogases. During the treatment of sewage, methane gas is produced by the anaerobic bacteria. Sorry friends, here I have written down. Okay, so what is that? Whenever that treatment it will that sewage treatment it will continue. At that time, what will happen? There is bacteria is doing a main role to convert or decompose that or dead bodies or that whatever the food wastes are there or that chemical substances or whatever that material fecals matters or materials or that whatever the things are coming from that our bathroom like water, detergent or soap matter, that it is all that is decomposed by that anaerobic bacteria, and this is called as a biogas. Whenever it is producing that methane gas, special that is called as a biogas because it is generally decomposition of that animals or plants body. Okay, it is produced from the degradation of a plant and animal materials, and especially whatever the biogas is producing, how that biogas is producing, because it is the decomposition of the animal body if that one animal is dead, or if it is a plant body if it is a plant it will die. So especially it is the decomposition of the plants and animal bodies. Okay, the biogas is producing in India. In India and China, rotting vegetation and animal dung are used to produce the biogas, which are used as a fuel home. So do you know students, this biogas nowadays is producing not only from the sewage treatment, but also it is by that especially that those vegetations that are spoiled. That means rotten means that is spoiled. That from that vegetation that nowadays in the world, that is especially in India and China, they are producing this biogas. Okay. So they are making that on a sewage treatment plant they are making, and by that way they are producing that biogases, and that which gases are we are generally using as a our house fuels like for cooking purposes also we are using nowadays. Some places already they are now available that biogases for the cooking instead of LPG gases. Okay, so now friends, already I have explained to you what is the decomposition of sewage treatment and what is that biogases. But already I have last day already I have told that how that animals are decomposing by that bacteria, and especially there is one cyclic process whenever that, because that due to the bacteria we are getting all the nutrients. You have to understand how now whenever the bacteria will decompose that animal bodies or dead animal bodies or decaying the plants or any things, then what will happen, it contains whatever that chemical substances like nutrients and all that inorganic matters are all are that what happening mixing or with the soils. Then after in the future that what happened, that plants are absorbing it all the nutrients and it is forming and storing as a food, and which one we are getting directly or indirectly from the plants. Okay, and this we are utilizing in our body. So this is one of the cyclic process. So directly that plants cannot take that nitrates. So which one is forming that freely we are getting from the nitrogen from the environment. Yes, we cannot take directly from that. So that's why what we are doing, directly it is mixing with as nitrates, and then after it is mixing with the soil, then the plants will absorb that nitrates, and that which one we are getting as fruits, vegetables like flowers, leaves, stems from the plants. Okay, so let us see what is that cycle of minerals. So students, observe that first of all. Here what will happen, suppose anywhere if you see that, suppose if you say that one dead plants and animals are there, then what will happen, if one animals will dead and they or plants will dead, then what will happen, it will decompose by the bacteria or microbes. Okay, that whenever it will decomposes, then it will mix with the soil, and whenever the soil will mix, this all that contains the minerals, nutrients, whatever that in the plants or animals, that will decompose by that animals microbes, then it will mix with the soil, and from the soil the green plant will receive what is that all the nutrients. Okay, whatever the nutrients are in the soil get from the dead body or dead plants or the animals, that one will collect again who green plants, and these green plants will take by direct by animals, or that will die means again that will compost by. So the green plants will eat who animals, and the animals whenever will drop means dropping, then it will go by the what is that decomposition. Okay students, so this is the one cyclic process. It is containing that all nutrients are on a cyclic. Okay students, I hope you have understand about that what is the decomposition of sewage treatment and biogas, what is that, and especially what is the cyclic of nutrients or the minerals. Okay, so students, one thing you have to remember, the sewage treatment means the treatment of the generally whatever the waste things, waste, that is the feces and what is the waste things are getting from the industry or the factories, or that detergent water or that soap water that we are getting from the bathroom, and all of that waters are decomposed by that bacteria, anaerobic bacteria, and especially that it is producing that biogases. Already I have explained. Okay, so thank you all of you students. Have a nice day. Take care.